One of the most demoralizing things in life can be losing your hair, right? It's one of the classic hallmarks of, oh my gosh, I'm getting older. We do have some things now as plastic surgeons to offer patients. We can not only reverse that, but actually start to regrow hair. And platelet rich plasma is a way to do that. And we take some of the patient's own blood, we spin that down so that we get a super concentrated collection of their own platelets. And that has 5 different types of growth factors that we can then reapply to the patient in multiple procedures and drive in a super concentration of growth factor that significantly can improve hair restoration. Our hairs are a living organism. They go through 3 phases constantly of hair growth. So we need to treat the area, and we need to treat it over a few sessions so that we can reach all the different hair. It's a series of injections, and a lot of times we'll couple that with microneedling. And we can also use agents like minoxidil and drive that further into the skin with a super concentration of growth factors, and it improves sometimes 100-fold what we'd see with just minoxidil alone. As you can see from these photos, there's an increased thickness, there's an increased overall quality to the hair. I've actually had patients' barbers ask them what they're doing.